this is Jen from Winrose Fiber Studio, and today we'll be crocheting the veined leaf. For this project, you'll need a medium weight yarn. I'm using Landscapes by Lion Brand. You'll also need a 5mm crochet hook, a yarn needle, and a pair of scissors. I made a video for this pattern in 2011, and I've been wanting to give it a refresh, so basically, welcome to How to Crochet a Veined Leaf, the updated version. We'll begin our leaf by chaining 10 loosely. We'll be working both into the back bumps and the back loops of this beginning chain, so it truly helps to make sure this chain is not too tight. So here we have our beginning chain 10. If you flip it over, you can see the little back bumps. These are what we will be working into for the beginning of our leaf. So to start off, we're going to work a 3 double crochet increase into the 4th back bump from the hook. By 3 double crochet increase, I just mean to simply put 3 double crochets all into that same back bump. Remember that to work a double crochet, you yarn over, insert your hook into the stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 twice. We'll continue by working a double crochet into each of the next 3 back bumps. Then we'll do a half double crochet. That is a yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through all 3 loops on your hook. Then a single crochet, insert your hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2. Now we're at the last back bump, which also will become the tip of our leaf. Into this last bump, you're going to work a slip stitch. That's just insert your hook, yarn over, pull through both loops on your hook, then chain 1, work another slip stitch. Now, working into the back loops only, we're going to go back across our beginning chain. I'm going to move that beginning tail out of my way. Here's the very first back loop, and into that back loop, we're going to work a slip stitch. The next back loop will get a single crochet. This leaf is very symmetrical, so you're doing the same thing on this side that you did on the other side. Now a half double crochet. And then into each of the next 3 back loops, you'll be working a double crochet. You can see that those unworked front loops are forming the vein of our leaf. And now we've reached the 3 double crochet increase, and we're going to do the same thing on this side in the back loop of that stitch. So 3 double crochets in that back loop, and now we've reached those 3 unworked chains at the very beginning, and we're going to work a slip stitch into the top of the beginning chain 3. And here we are. Now you could stop right here and it's a perfectly cute little leaf, but I want to go ahead and give our leaf a small stem. To do this, I'm going to chain 4, and then I'm going to work a slip stitch into the second back bump from my hook, and then into each of the next 2 back bumps. And this just gives us a little stem. Now we can cut our work and weave in our beginning and our ending tails. I'm speeding up a little bit here, but you'll see that I make 3 passes for both the beginning and ending tail. I really want to anchor the yarn in place. When I first filmed this little pattern back in 2011, I worked in the front loops only and placed the vein on the back side. And that's why this is an updated version. I just think it looks a little cuter to have that line going across the front And I'm not really sure why I didn't make it this way in the first place. So it's fun to be able to go back and update my own work and share it with you all over again. And here we are, our cute little leaf is all done, made from medium weight yarn. It's about 3 inches long. Of course, you can experiment with all sorts of yarn and colors. I hope you enjoyed this project. I post videos every Tuesday and sometimes on Saturday. Please hit like and subscribe and hit that notification bell. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I'll see you next time.